the master data review start, and let me go to logistics, SD, master data. So we are discussing about business partner. I hope like you guys would have created some of the to again reiterate the same topic. Like we have general data, we have sales area data, and company code data. And company code data more deals with all the accounting information and controlling information. And sales area data is more about your sales area, sales office, and all these kind of details. And do remember the customer master data what you create is useful for all transactions what we do in SD. What are those transactions? Quotation, order, credit memo, rush sales, rush order, cash sales. So there are different kinds of selling mechanism, back order. So we remember this, especially as an SD consultant, you have to be only two areas. So can you hear me now?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Right. So especially all these, there are three kinds of data: control data, two is master data, three is transaction data. So whatever control data you customize, that will update your master data, and master data will update your. So that means all automations are possible using this master data. Okay. So you guys have created this master data. Did you try? So write this master data products. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7. You write all this. Material, item proposal, material determination, cross selling, listing exclusion, assortments. Wow. I'll explain you what is this assortment, what is this bomb, and all this stuff. We'll at least see the basic assortment module, how it works. Right. There are various material types available in SAP. Write those examples. Trading goods, non-stock, services, packaging, competitive products, etc. Other material, MM01.
Shilpa చేసామండి.
MM01. MM01 is create material. MM02 is change material. MM03 is display material. MM01, MM02, MM03. Right. Screen selection for the users is separate according to the material types. The views will change. Right, all these views start with basic data 1. The views will change. Take the list of the views. Basic data 1, data 2, it's very important.
Ravi? Hello? Hello?
Can you
Ravi,
write,
are you there?
Adnan, can you write the list? Basic data 1, data 2, purchasing.
Hello? Hello?
Yeah, can you write the list?
Okay.
Yeah.
One. Okay.
I'm not able to hear you.
Wait a minute.
Can you write the views? These are the common views used in the products. We will now discuss about these views. Take the list. No, no SPRO changes here. Generally, we are more concerned about our sales related views. 1, 2, 3, 4, and there is sales. Yeah, general plant. These are the 5 things which are important for us. Take this one, sales text. Done. Yeah. So if you can see, each field which is used here tomorrow, it is going to affect your transactions. That is the importance of this. Click on org levels. Click on org levels. The product position according to the plant storage location, sales organization, and distribution channel will be identified. Will be identified. I'll change this. Right. For example, storage location stock will be shown in the material master details. Storage location stock write this. Accounting screen will have two important fields: moving average price and standard price. Moving average price and standard price. And third, total value of the stock. Value means the total calculation of the stock. Done?
Yeah.
So you have to understand that whatever fields are entered here, that will affect your pricing. Actually, for example, you write this accounting 2 deals with LIFO data. LIFO means last in, first out. F5, FO. FIFO means first in, first out. Sometimes some products also will have that checkbox. What happens? Whatever you have selected here, this will affect all your transactions in the future. To remember this. It is not just because suppose if you are selecting P-109 in your sales order, all these things will affect, not one or two. Right. Plant data slash storage 1. Storage 1 will have base unit of measure, picking area, storage condition, storage bin details. Storage bin details. Next. Shelf life for expiry based products like your food products, beverages. Shelf life. This is another important thing. Forecasting. Forecasting. This view will have forecast models like trend based model or constant model, seasonal model. Take these three. DTS. DTS. Constant model, trend model and seasonal model. Done. So in forecasting, this is one of the important thing. Rest all like forecast periods and all you don't need to. That is again an FA subject. And write this MRP one. MRP one. This view is a major contribution in the ATP logic, available to promise. ATP logic stands for available to promise. Hello. Sir, can you hear me? Yeah. So these are certain views like which you guys have to be perfect with, because why I'm showing you is most of the guys, they don't know why these views are. It is not just, don't spend your time in creating a middle master. Creating everybody will do. Understand what is happening here. Right. Sales org one view will have minimum order quantity, minimum order quantity, in order to control the selling quantity. In order to control the selling quantity. Basic data one will have general data and dimensions of the product. General data and dimensions of the product. Basic data 2 is used for chemical and AutoCAD industry. Basic data 2 is used for chemical and AutoCAD industry. Right? So, if you want to see the creation of this particular Metal Master, it is simply, we can go through various methods. Take these T codes: MMH1, MMN1, MMS1, MMV1, and MMW1. Because for SD consultants or SD teams, many times they will not give MM01 in the production server. It's it's not that easy. MM01 is very very critical because if I give you MM01, you can do anything. Until you're not a senior consultant or working in the company from long time, we don't generally give you change and display is not an issue. Right. Access to master data will be limited to very few people in the team for create and change options. For create and change options. Right. So so if you can see this, MMH1 is trading goods. Click on MMH1. MMH1. Standard data, these people should not tamper actually. Guys are again industry sector, they should not, they have unnecessarily modified many fields. So data entry activity they do. Completely they have changed it. They've changed the descriptions. Write this. SAP comes with standard material types. Write this. Like DIN, DIEN is service. ERSA, spare parts. FERT, finished products. Food for foods. HAWA, trading goods, etc. right? Click on select the industry first, which industry it belongs to. For example, pharmaceuticals. Select views, select the views, plant, select the organization levels, storage location, sales organization, MRP profile. Don't forget this. MRP profile. Forecast based planning. Right, what is this MRP profile? Key used to store MRP parameters. MRP means material requirement planning. Key that is used to store MRP parameters. So we'll discuss about this MRP as we go along. Right. System has created 605. Give base unit of measure. See, this base unit of measure we can customize if you want, Adnan. But almost everything is there. This one, see, wherever this comes, this is means database. Wherever this is called search help, where this search help icon comes, that means you can customize. Material groups, if I don't have anything matching, I can go to SPRO and I can customize. Adnan,
Okay.
got it right?
Yes.
Customization only is when that icon is there, then that means that if required, we can go and customize. In fact, IDS has given almost all everything possible in the under the cloud. Actually, these things, if you don't enter, the report will not be perfect, because if you enter automatically, when you query, you can query it basing on these material groups. Select as chemicals. Write the definition of material group. Grouping together several metals or services within the same attributes. Done.
Yeah, yeah.
Examples: metal, steel. Take this. 001 metal, 00101 steel. Gross weight, net weight. Basic data 2, you can leave it empty. Go to sales org 1, enter the division. Sales unit. Then delivering plant also we can mention from where it can be delivered. Can be from the Hamburg. Minimum order quantity, minimum deliver quantity, thousand for 1 liter, thousand each liters. So thousand each 100 gram, 1 gram tax. Not yet created in supplying plant. This is just an information. Maintain tax classification. Here, maintain the tax classification. Standard rate. And also, and this is very important. Write this. Sales general plant should have shipping data with transportation group as container, because this is a liquid product, and we can say we can have a forklift. Loading is forklift. Sometimes they'll also give you the process time and setup time. If you get the details, you do it. Otherwise, don't. Sales text. So click on save. Click on save. So material 605 created. Suppose if you want to know any customizations possible, because see, as an SD consultant, they will not allow you to do that, because middle master is more about guy's job. But yes, having a knowledge on what is middle master setting is all about. Click on search button. As a SD consultant, they will not ask you to take this path, all these things, but still let us. IMG, Logistic General, Middle Master. Try this. Configuring the Middle Master, changing the field selection. And you should have a knowledge on these things. Tools, tools, data transfer, workbench. It's called direct input method. Data transfer workbench. No need of ALIP stuff, but data transfer workbench. So that means some of the field selections can be changed if required. So this customization, we don't do it every now and then, and that too, it is not an SD guy's job. But if anytime, if you can see this, if I change these groups, again it will, many of these fields you don't know how to do it. It's all field names and again change the selection group. So this process we don't follow anytime. Hiding certain fields, required field. Suppose There are certain fields like which you want to Mara underscore means is basic unit of measure, where this is right now a required entry. If I change it into display or optional entry, it will not right now, anytime without giving the basic unit of measure, it will not allow you to save. It says that please give the unit of measure. Why? Because it is a required entry. So anytime if this particular field selection you want to change, then you can come down here. Define the industry sectors, specific field selection. You can see there are a lot of unnecessary sectors like people have created. It's all for practice sake, they have unnecessarily created a lot of crap in it. So these are all standard. So they have changed certain 1 to 9 is still fine. Look, click on save. Continue. Right? So try creating other products, metal masters, and we'll catch up tomorrow at same time. And you guys have this SD document with you,
Yes.
SD 40 underscore 1. Start seeing that, and you come back to me with some questions in the product master. We'll
Yeah, this
tomorrow.
document I don't have. Please tell me.
Uh, hello, hello, Yusuf.
Ravi?
Yeah, this document.
Yusuf, you don't have it, right? I'm sending it.
No, I don't. So, and can you drop this today's video?
Yeah, I'll be doing that.